be showing you the Eureka, the Boss, Mite II vacuum cleaner. First, take the hose off it. So it's a nice little vacuum cleaner. It's nice and portable. It's not that heavy. It's a 7-amp machine. But you should go subscribe, and you also should go take a look at my other Eureka Mite video, the full review about this vacuum cleaner. And you will see me put some dirt down, and I'll show you how good this machine does. Nice and portable and stuff like that. So let's plug in our hose. I would do a little twist, make sure it's all the way in. Let's take our little hose. And you're going to click the on this little tiny piece here that switches. So if you're on rug, you want to go this way, but if you're on hard floor, you want to go this way. Plug that back in. It does pretty good. So take this off, or no, we're going to leave that on. If you turn the vacuum to the back, you've got some attachments. So you've got a dusting brush, which are hard to pull out. And you've got a crevice tool. You can take a little crevice tool. Then pull a little bit of dirt down. Let's turn our vacuum on. It looks like it got chewed up by a dog, something like that. I have no idea what happened there, but we're going to vacuum it. So even though it's chewed up by a dog, it still works pretty well. But I wouldn't let your dog chew it up. I would say you should do that. Now you can put your thing back in, just like that. Then take your crevice tool, then top, and you just have your hose. Now yours, if you got this one like brand new, it would come with 2 hoses, like that. But I don't have 2 hoses, I only got 1. That's all enough for me. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.